Hi, I'm Erich Litch, Chief Operating Officer and President of 2Checkout, and I'm here today to share some tips with regard to subscriptions and some things you might not necessarily be thinking about if you provide a subscription product or are thinking about providing a subscription product. First off, you have to ensure your provider that's processing your payments and subscriptions can maximize revenue recovery on renewals and also prevent churn. So you're going to want to make sure that they have access to account updaters, that they can go beyond that and actually do custom configurable retries, that you've got really good, strong, robust dunning management capabilities, and the ability to run campaigns and promotions for those canceling subscriptions, the robust capability around a My Account portal. All of that is really, really important. Now, if you are using a particular provider today and you find another provider has a lot better capabilities in this regard, you might want to actually port over your subscriptions from one provider to another. This is where things can get tricky, so I've got some important tips for you. Number one, start thinking about that now. Do not wait till you want to switch payments, because you need to think about how long it's going to take. Do you have the right to access the data? What's it going to cost you to access the data? What kind of data will you need to actually export? It's not just the payment card details, it's also the start date, end date, terms, special provisions within the subscription. So make sure you know what data you need to take over, and make sure that you work with your provider to ensure that you have the right to transfer the data and port it over. There are some companies out there in the market that are actually refusing to provide the data to their merchants, or charging exorbitant fees that make it very cost prohibitive to actually get the data. So make sure you deal with this in your contract up front or with your provider up front and get it in your contract as to what are they going to charge you to access the data? Do you have the right to access the data? These are all really, really important things you need to think about now and not wait until you actually want to make a change down the road. The other thing you need to think about is how long it's going to take you and all the things and steps you need to do in order to actually convert the subscriptions over. You do need to think about testing, signing agreements to cover GDPR compliance issues, things like that. And make sure that you understand all the steps entailed in getting the data, converting it over, testing it, and making sure that it's a seamless experience for all your customers. So hopefully that helps you in managing your subscription business, and thank you.